Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see how we can add a registration form for the e-commerce website. Before we see how to add a registration form in e-commerce, I want you to have a look at how it's appearing now. When I click to enter my user ID and password, it's not logged in now. So let's have a look how to solve the problem. Log in to the dashboard. Click on WooCommerce. Under that you will find the settings. Click on Settings. Go to the Accounts and Privacy option. Under that, you will find Allow Customers to Create My Account page. Click the checkbox. And Save Changes. Now let's have a look at how it works. Now let's create an account. Enter your email ID and click on the Register button. It shows like an account is registered with your email address. So let me enter my email ID and password. Click on Login and it will take you to your account dashboard. This is how your dashboard looks. Your customers can find the order details here. Thanks for watching. If you find it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates.